Okay, so guys, I want to teach us how to do LCM, how to solve LCM. As simple as this math is, a lot of people don't know how to solve it, especially for grade 5 students. This is the math for grade 5 students. So when you are solving LCM like this, when you want to look for the LCM of 12, 24, and 36, what are you going to do? LCM means lowest common multiple, right? Lowest common multiple. So we are starting with the lowest common multiple, which is 2. Now we are going to use 2 to divide everything here to get our LCM. So 2 will go into 12 how many times? 2 will go into 12 6 times. So we go into this 12. 2 into this one is what? 18, right? So we can still use 2 to divide. 2 into 6 will give us what? 3. 2 into 12 will give us 4, right? 2 into 12 will give us what? 6, not 4. Because 2 times 6 is 12, right? Then 2 into 18 will give us what? 9. Now, there's this here. We can still use 2 to divide. So we are using 2. 2 into 3, it cannot go. Bring down the 3 down. 2 into this 6 will give us 3. 2 into 9, it cannot go. You bring it down. Now, what can divide this number is 3. Because these numbers, they are odd numbers. So we use 3. 3 into this 3 will give us 1. 3 into this 3 will give us 1. 3 into this 3 will give us what? 3. So we can still divide this 3. So bring our 3 here. 3 into 1, you cannot go, you bring down the 1. 3 into 1 cannot go, bring it down. 3 into this 3 is 1. So we have gotten 1, 1 all through. So our LCM is this, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So when you are done looking for the LCM, you multiply everything that you use. So when we multiply everything here, we are going to get 72 as our final answer. So the LCM of 12, 24, and 36 is equals to what? 72. That is the final answer. So guys, that is how to look for LCM. Very simple.